Hi, it's Michelle from the Salty Spirit. So today we are going to learn how to make these for my summer shows are the biggest seller. Whether I'm selling an outdoor event, in my online shop, even on just like social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, I sell these. They are so pretty, and people are always asking me, how do you make those? And people think that I paint them, that I actually paint that seahorse. I'm not that talented. So I'm going to show you how to make this. Now this is decoupage. I have a video already on how to decoupage shells, but it's just more of like, you know, whatever the design is on that napkin. This is a more like specific design. Okay, so the napkin that I use, or the tissue paper that I use, has seahorses, seashells, starfish, whatever. I just use the seahorse, obviously, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy, and they just come out so gorgeous. And I always leave the back natural because you just want it to show that this is a shell that you find on the beach. It's not mass produced. Okay, so this video also is a little different than what I usually do. It's just like a series of photographs that you can follow along with. And hopefully it'll be easy enough to follow along on your own. And any questions, send me a comment, hit subscribe, and let's get started. Poof, new outfit. One more thing I forgot to mention, that for this particular project, you can purchase a small kit, very minimal charge. Really, it's just going to be for the shipping of the tissue paper that is part of this project. You'll get 2 pieces, so you'll be able to do several shells if you want. And I'm going to throw in a real life mussel shell for this project, and it'll be about the size that will fit any of the designs on this. Obviously, you can use your own tissue paper, your own design, etc. But this is just for this particular project. So you just follow the link that you will see in the description, and I'll also put up a link towards the end of the video. Thanks.